Alrighty guys, so if you've seen my latest short, you'll know that my mini super sirex got brutally messed up. Brutally messed up. Well, me and a family member actually spent like 2 days working on this, so finally the super sirex is back. Except shorter and bigger horn. The last version had a smaller and longer horn, which was very unrealistic. And I also made the hood smaller because on the old version, that hood was went way too up high into the air. Yeah. Just pretend that doesn't exist. We need to take that off of there. But yeah, now we have the back covered up with some cardboard, and yeah. There's the chopper. The audio might be very trash because of that swamp cooler right there, but yes, here we go. Test. Growl test. Bro, Jesus. Bro, my dumb ass didn't realize this thing was plugged in. My bad, guys. I am a dumbass. That's one thing for sure. Ugh. There. It's in there. Alright. Bro. Dude. Alright. There we got the switch right there. Took that away. I don't want to be electrocuted anytime soon. Alrighty, here we go. 1 minute test. From there, if I point this directly at that, technically, will it get more air? All right, hold on, let me set this up. And here we go. We got it all set up. So now this thing will shove air into there. So we'll get a boost in air. All right, here we go. That does not work at all. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I want to die. Please help me. Please help me. Please. Why do I keep doing these corny videos? Why do I keep doing this? Well, duh, because I'm a siren enthusiast. Siren enthusiasts will get this. Any other people won't. Alright, goodbye.